So now it's going to be half volleys. Okay, you watch in. Got our wall here, kicking in front of the ball against the wall, and then it bounces. Okay, up in the air. As it bounces, lift it back up. All right, just half volleys for a minute. It might be laces, might be inside, whatever part of the foot you want. Okay, half volleys. As it bounces, lift it back up. Adjust your feet. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1. Off you go. Good. Half volleys against the wall. Nice. Excellent. Nice. Nice and sharp. Good. Work your feet. Go on. Work your feet. Keep it going. Nice. Watch that ball. Nice and light. Nice and loose. Try not to knock it over. Try and work your feet nice and quick. Okay. Just as it bounces, adjust your feet. Lift it back up again. Great work. Well done. Go on. Don't drop the ball. Go on. Keep going. Keep working. Go on. Stay with me. Go on. Keep going. Great work, guys. Left foot, right foot, inside, outside. Keep working those feet. Laces, nice and sharp. Ready, watch the ball. Ready, watch the ball. Go on. Lift it up. Get it back on the wall again. Great work. Go on. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. Keep going. Go on, nice and quick. 10 more seconds. Well done. Excellent feet work, guys. Excellent footwork. Brilliant. And stop there. Well done. Go and get yourself a drink. Brilliant. Really good work, guys. Really impressed. You still got 30 seconds, all right? Loads of time. Just going to go to a bit of a bigger wall this time, guys, okay? Because now it's going to be full volleys, all right? So make sure that we can all see what we're doing. Excellent. Everyone okay? Everyone enjoying it? Great stuff. Okay guys, so now it's going to be a little bit harder. Okay, now it's going to be full volleys, so no bounce. Okay, pick my third ball against the wall, inside out. Okay, try and keep the ball up for 1 minute. Okay, it's quite tough. So ready, watch the ball. If you drop it, lift it back up. Try again. Okay, so it's in the air, throwing it, and we're there. We're adjusting. Watch the ball. Okay, watch the ball. Don't knock it over. Really adjust your feet and keep it up. Okay, everyone ready? We're going to go for 1 minute, all right? 3, 2, 1. Off we go, play against the wall. Nice, watch the ball, excellent. Great stuff. Really work your feet quick, go on. Don't drop it. Work those feet quick, go on. Work those feet quick. If you drop it, go again. Great stuff, guys, really impressed. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. Great stuff. Keep going, come on, don't drop it. Keep going, work those feet. Left foot, right foot. Really good. Great stuff, guys, really impressed. 20 more seconds. Keep going, go on. Keep going. Nice, good work. Excellent stuff. Really impressed. And stop there, guys.